Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Spice and Heritage, where every spice tells a story. Today, I will be sharing with you how to cook Efo Riro, a delicious Nigerian vegetable soup. Traditionally, this soup is made with ugu, fluted pumpkin leaves, or spinach, and some other Nigerian vegetables. But here where I stay, I'll be using kale leaf, which is the perfect substitute and just as tasty. A big thanks to you all, my amazing subscriber, for your support. And if this is your first time here, you are very welcome. Please join the family by subscribing so you don't miss out on more African and continental recipe. Now, let's get started with Efo Riro made with kale. Who is ready with me? Let's begin with the ingredients. Palm oil, all-purpose seasoning powder, curry, thyme, salt, fresh garlic and ginger, meat, fish, stockfish, onion, bell peppers, habanero peppers. Don't worry, I will be listing everything in the description below. I started by cleaning my protein with salt and warm running water. Then transfer it into my cookware. Next, I add in all the spice and chopped onions, mixing everything thoroughly. I cover the pot and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Then, add the garlic and ginger, letting the flavor cook gently into the meat. While that is cooking, we will be moving to the next step. While my meat is cooking, I prepare the pepper blend. I wash my bell peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger thoroughly. I remove the seed from the pepper to avoid any bitter taste. Then, I blend everything together in my food processor, but not too smooth this time. I like the texture a little rough because it gives the soup a richer, more traditional feeling. Once blended, I set it aside for later. I usually love the taste of fish in my soups, and this Basa stick is one of my favorites. I clean it, season it lightly with salt and seasoning powder, and set it aside for later. Now, my protein is fully ready. I transfer it into a bowl and keep it for the final stage of the soup. Next comes the star of today's recipe. The kale. I slice it finely, then add hot water and a little salt. This helps the kale stay green and soften it just a little. I clean it thoroughly, drain out any excess water, and set it aside until it's time to go into the pot. It is time to bring all the ingredients together and make a soup. I started by heating some palm oil in my pot. Then I add onions, my pepper blend, and one seasoning cube. I cover it and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I add in the boiled stockfish. Then gently place in my Basa stick into the stew. Once it cooks, I remove it carefully and kept it aside. Next, I return my cooked meat into the stew, give it a good stir, and cover it to cook for another 5 minutes. Now I added the sliced kale, stirred thoroughly, and followed with shrimp, crayfish, and some of the meat broth. Finally, I return the Basa fish, stir gently, and leave everything to cook for more 5 minutes. And just like that, our rich, flavorful Efo Riro with kale is ready. I love to enjoy mine with pounded yam. What will you pair yours with? Drop that in the comments below. Thank you for watching Spice and Heritage. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more delicious African and continental recipes. Bye for now and see you next time.